Hey, hello everyone, and good to see you all in this video. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this parcel. After a long time, I just received a little bit big parcel from Amazon, but it's okay, fine. Let's get inside, and it's good, quite good to see because compact boxing and everything. And let's get inside. Yes, this is a Bacca Bucci shoe, and I think parcel is inverted. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's get in. There it is. Open side. Let's see. You can see some paperworks. This is not a big. I think this is customized for every different model. Looks good, right? Anyway, I gave the link in the description, and if you want to purchase, go and check out the link in the description. It's me, Bacca, signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.